This financial market has two segments, the money market and the capital market. Now, it is not necessary that you are looking for long-term funds for borrowing. Your requirement of funds or your requirement of investment can have two dimensions. It can either be short-term, or it can be long-term. राइट, मेरे पास आज की डेट में 1000 रुपया सरप्लस है, हो सकता है कि ये 1000 रुपया सरप्लस सिर्फ मेरे पास अगले 15 दिन के लिए ही हो, उसके बाद मेरे पास ये सरप्लस बचे ही नहीं. On the other hand, I want to go and party in Agent Jacks today, so I want 5,000 rupees. It is not necessary that I'll be borrowing this 5,000 rupees from my friend for the next 5 years. I'll be giving it back to him as soon as I receive my next salary, right? So it is not necessary that all your requirements have to be long term. जैसे घर खरीदना है या गाड़ी खरीदना है या बंगला खरीदना है, ये सारे requirements आपके long term में जाते हैं. On the other hand, if you have fund requirements for the short term, then that will be for a few days or might be for a very short interval of time. So depending upon whether your requirement of money for investment or borrowing is short term or long term, the financial market has two segments, the money market and the capital market. Money market, as the name itself suggests, is the market for short term borrowing and lending. Short term borrowing and lending, right? The capital market, on the other hand, is the market for long term borrowing and lending. Medium and long term is what I should be saying. So medium and long term borrowing and lending, right? Generally, money market transactions have a duration of less than 365 days, less than 1 year. So if the lending of money or the borrowing of money, the economic transaction that is taking place between the two parties is for a duration of less than 365 days, then we can say that we are dealing with in the money market segment of the financial market. On the other hand, if the transaction that is occurring between the two individuals of giving and receiving of money occurs for a duration of greater than or equal to 365 days, then that transaction is known as a capital market transaction. Okay, so what is the financial market? The financial market, in layman's terms, simplistically speaking, it is a platform. At any point in the economic scheme of events, there will always be individuals who have money and there will always be individuals who need money. Financial market as a platform brings together these individuals and then they can transact amongst each other. The person who needs money gets money, the person who wants investment gets investment, right? This investment and these transactions, they take different forms. What are the different forms that they take? We'll be studying eventually in the sessions to come. But presently, we'll be focusing only on what is the financial market. Secondly, these transactions can be of two types. They can either be short-term transactions or they can be long-term transactions. If we are dealing with short-term transactions, we are dealing in the money market. If we are dealing with long-term transactions, we are dealing in the capital market.